You searched how to buy shares of Medtronic PLC. Medtronic is a global medical technology company listed on Xetra under the ticker 2M6.DE. This content is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker 2M6.DE. Select the matching Medtronic PLC listing on Xetra to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the company summary and the recent price chart for context. Confirm the listing shows Medtronic PLC on Xetra with ticker 2M6.DE before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.